Hello, in this video we will be checking out the top account holders of XRP, so everybody who has a own non-custodial wallet will be checking out who has the most XRP and who are in the top 10 to 20 XRP wallets. So in order to do that, I used a tool by which window will link the project, it's XRP-ledger stats. Using that project, you can fetch an entire ledger. So meaning that, so on the livenet.xrpl.org, on a LiveNet, as we know, the current last lost ledger number increments each time. So each time it closes, we have a new ledger, and now you can fetch the entire history until a certain ledger has passed. For example, I fetched the ledger history until yesterday, or something like that. So using the command is rather simple. You just say nodes fetch ledger, and then you just tell it which ledger number shall be fetched. So for example, if you want the last one here, you can just copy that one here. So 64. So in this case, it would be 6427038, and then it will be fetched. So this might take a while, like 20 minutes or something like that, and it fetches all the accounts. And then you have this huge file which contains all the XOP accounts. So in currently about 3 million, and with the corresponding balance. And it took all of the data, so then you have like the data, you've got the JSON file for that, and it took all of the data and wrote another program. And this program, it's rather simple. So I first wanted to put into SQL, in the Postgres database, but then didn't. I just have gone over it, sorted it by balance descending, and wrote it into a file. And now I have this file.txt. And this file, we can see the biggest holders, so from the biggest holders to the smallest one. So here are all the biggest holders, so 10 to the power of 8, and so on, 10 to the power of 7, and there's a huge list. And we will be briefly looking over it. Who are the biggest XRP holders out there? So let's start with the first one. So we've got the first address. We've got the first address here. We're just gonna enter it in BitHop. Already start here. So, what do we have here? So we can see here the first address with lots of XRP. So in this case, 2.6 billion XRP is Ripple. So let's check with the second address. So this on the second address, we can see we've got Ripple again with 2.17 billion XRP. Let's check out the third address. On the third, we have Upbit. Oh no, not it's not Upbit, but we can't know. So there's an account with 2.1 billion XOP. I have no idea whom this belongs to, but let's go on. So what's the next one? So we've got here Binance. So Binance is holding 1.8 billion XOP. So let's check out the next one. So we've got here another account which we can't identify. There's somebody owning 1.2 billion XOP. Let's check out the next one. Then we have Binance again. So there's a Binance account with 800 million XOP. Then there's another account by Ripple. And something else we can see here, that for example the Ripple accounts are configured with multi-sign, meaning that they need 4 signatures to sign anything. So we've got 8 signees here, and you need at least 4 to authorize a transaction. So there's another security feature there. But let's go on. So then we've got here another account we can identify, so maybe also private holder with 740 million XOP. So what else do we have here? Now there's an exchange, isn't there? Yes, it's CoinCheck. So there's a exchange called CoinCheck, who is so there's one of CoinCheck's accounts. Then we have, well, maybe private holder again. We can't know for sure. Let's go on. And then we've got here Bitbank, so I guess another exchange, or maybe also something about DeFi. Well, let's check it out quickly. Bitbank.cc. What is that? Probably an exchange. Yes, it looks like an exchange. Then let's go on. Then we've got here Kraken. Okay, so also another exchange. Then we have here another account which we can identify with 600 million XRP here. Then we've got another account, so we get probably also private holder. Then we've got here, okay, that is the wallet of Jed McCaleb. So we can see here it's the name is Takistan. Yeah, that's Jed McCaleb's wallet. So he's also a big stakeholder here. But I covered it already in one of the videos how the XRP are being sold. That it's always programmatically, so that's why the numbers are so strange here, and it's automated. So he's not able to sell at will, but rather he has to me so rather it's being calculated and programmatically being sent. So let's go on. What else do we have here? So we've got another Acampa Ripple with 500 million XRP. So again, there's also multi-sig, so multi-sign again activated. So what's the next one here? There's another Acampa Ripple with 500 million XRP. There is a account by this one is okay. This was activated by Chris Larson. So this account with 500 million XRP activated by the account Chris Larson. So probably maybe his own holdings. I guess so. It's just an assumption here. I don't know. So maybe let's go on. So who else is there with the big holders here? So we've got and yeah, I think it was the account I looked up before. So this account was activated by Chris Larson. Then we've got also another one activated by Chris Larson. Then here's another one activated by Chris Larson. So maybe these are also his accounts, and he has multiple of those. There's another one activated by Chris Larson. We've got here an account per Ripple again. We've got an account where we can say to whom it belongs. What else is here? We've got a Huobi, another exchange, having lots of XRPs of 420 million XRP. So what else is here? We've got Samba. So again, maybe a private stakeholder, and so on. So basically, I just want to show you here a little bit that how you can process the data, and it goes on with all the wallets there are. So you can see there are like lots of wallets, and also if you have a non-custodial wallet, you will also be in here somewhere. So for example, if you've got rather like maybe about 1,000 XRP, then you shall be somewhere in here, or 2,000, 3,000, yeah, somewhere there. You should be probably here in between. So thanks for watching the video. I just want to show you so now today we checked out the top, I think, 15 wallets there are, and I hope it was informative as always, and see you in the next video.